Hi, I am Carla from TwiLead, and today I'm going to show you how to create forms using TwiLead. So first, we are going to click on the left sidebar sides and then on forms. Remember, you are going to find all this empty because it's your first time. So don't worry if you are here and you don't see any of this. So important action here is click on add form. You have two options. You can build from scratch the form. It's drag and drop, so even from scratch is super easy, but you also can choose from templates. So that is the easiest way. And here, if you are going to see, if you already use some templates, the templates that you already chose, you are going to see favorites. If you want to add the favorites, just you're going to find them here, and you have a lot of categories to look. So right now we are on real estate. We are clicking on real estate and we are going to find a lot of options. But if you want any other category, just you are going to find it. So I'm going to real estate and I want to choose this one. And you can click on preview and check that you really like the template and check how it's going to be seen on tablets, on smartphones, or you can just click on choose template. So we are waiting just a few seconds until it's done. We already have our forms. If you think everything is perfect in a template, you don't need to change anything. But I'm going to show you how to do some simple changes. So right here, you're going to find fields, for example, personal info, date of birth, full name, email, and these elements, you just need to drag and drop, and that's all. It's going to be on your form. And of course, you can move it after if you want to. And here at the right, you're always going to find extra options to customize each field. So if you don't find it, because it's just like this, you can always click here and it's going to appear again. Also here, you are going to find style options to customize. I'm not going to explore this today, but you know that you have the option. So going back to the form elements, you can add buttons, you can even add payments if you sell products online, add address, country, website. You have multiple text options, and even if you want multiple answers for a field, you can add this. That we are going to find later in this form. So also ratings and another advanced elements to customize even more your form. So here, if you want to change the name of the fields, you can just click and that's all. Even here, that's all. That it's super easy. We are just going to check the other options instead of project details, extra details, and prefer it, and that's everything is good. At the bottom, you can customize it. You have multiple themes. You have multiple options. You can change the text here. I want my birthday. Change the alignment and a lot of more options. The font size, like everything. The alignment of the bottom. The colors to use those colors that best fits your brand. Here, if you have privacy policy or terms of service, you can add it. You can just add link, add your link, and that's going to be all super easy. So what is going to happen after your client clicks the button? In this case, it's going to automatically send the client to a page, a thank you page. You can also customize that page. And you can, if you don't want to just be a thank you page, you can add an URL that is going to be to another website. Or if it is that the client will make a process, okay, you can create an order confirmation. In this case, I'm going to go with the message. So thank you for taking the time. It's text. Usual. I hear all the other options to change and customize the text. And that's all. So if you want to preview, just click on preview. Always know it's super intuitive and you're gonna be able to answer and test the form. Also, you can add custom fields. That means that those fields are going to be synchronized automatically with the CRM. And you are going to be able to see those fields on the contact information, the opportunity, the company, or the enterprise in this case. So I want to show you how to do it. Just I'm going to choose contact, add, in this case, single line. Next, the name of the field, type of client, let's say this time. Here we are going to verify that it's going to be added to the contact in this case, but you can choose any of these according to your needs. In this case, I have to add the group is the same, contact, and save. So what is going to happen is now that I'm going to click on contact, I'm going to find my new custom field. So type of client, let's add it here. It really doesn't matter where it's going to add it. I'm going to save. Now your form is nice and ready to use, and you can share it either with the link as I showed you before, or you can embed it to your web page. So to do that, you only need clicking on integrate. Here you are going to find different ways to show the form in your website, but you are just gonna need to copy embed code, paste it to your website, and that's all. You are going to have the form in your website. To continue in this video, I'm just going to keep using the link. And now I'm going to show you what is going to happen. Here, all the information, almost all the information, it's ready. I just want to show you that this field that is preferred consultation date, it is in fact a calendar. We are going to choose any date, click. Now each time somebody fill and submit the form, it's going to create a contact automatically. So we are going back on contacts, and the first contact is the last person that answered the form. And then I'm going to find the new custom field that we created with the answer and of course all the information that the client provided. And so that's all. Now you have an easy way to collect leads after create the form. You're going to be able to just have new leads, have new information, and even start conversations. Because just from here, you are going to be able to send message, WhatsApps, or emails. So now you know how to create a form. You can do it in just minutes, and I invite you to try to do it today. So you are going to be able to share it with everybody. So that's all. As I said before, go and create your form and start getting more leads. See you in the next video.